Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Apple ID is signed into the App Store. This ties the credit to your account. Once signed in, make sure your payment country matches the card's region because mismatches block redemption. Now grab the 16-digit code from the physical or digital card and keep it visible. You will enter it shortly. If your device asks to update iOS or Mac OS, do that first to reduce unexpected errors, and then open the App Store to begin redeeming. You tap the profile icon in the App Store to reveal account options, then choose Redeem Gift Card or Code. If you use camera, hold the code within the frame. If you enter it manually, type the 16-digit code exactly. Once done, accept any terms and confirm your billing region if asked. This links the credit to your Apple ID balance. Make sure to check the updated balance under Account. Once it shows the added amount, you're ready to purchase apps or subscriptions. You now use your Apple ID balance at checkout. The App Store automatically prioritizes Apple gift card credit for purchases. If the code is rejected, make sure the card matches your account country. Check for OCR errors if you used camera, and retype characters like O versus 0. If the balance doesn't appear after a day, sign out and back in, then contact Apple support with your receipt or card details. That usually resolves remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.